you're really good at narrowing down on a specific sector when it's needed and not letting what the Qs and the SPY are doing influence your trades within that sector. So how can a trader get to know that kind of style of trading and get to know how when it's important to really laser focus on a sector versus what the overall market is doing?
Any good trader has to ask themselves, whatever sector they're trading, whatever stock, is there a catalyst? I don't care the sector. Catalyst, catalyst, catalyst. No catalyst, no stock. So example, I'm bearish housing. I've been really bearish housing for a couple of years now. Even while rates were going down, I like professed that this was not going to help housing. Housing had a long way to go. But I started getting really bullish housing in the summer, stops, which honestly doesn't represent my theory that I'm bearish housing. But I explained that after a ton of recent underperformance, that due to coming rate cuts that were tangible, meaning we weren't guessing, we were definitely getting rate cuts, and we're finally close to those rate cuts. We'll probably have a series of them that underperformance matched up with coming rate cuts, matched up with companies that in a horrible housing environment are really faring well, meaning they're not killing it like they used to do in bull markets and housing, but they are performing really well under difficult circumstances. You put that together, you have a catalyst for these stocks to play catch up because they've done nothing all year, right? They're way off highs. They're earning money in a tough environment, and now you're getting the rate cuts. That's catalyst and earnings catalyst. So it's to understand those moments rather than, oh, I like this sector and I like this stock. That's fine for investing a year out or 2 years out. But when you're looking for moves that are happening within days or weeks, you need a catalyst. So it's really to look at the calendar. Is it earnings? Are there comps coming out? Do we have a Fed meeting? What are the path of rates, right? Do we have an inflation readout that's going to affect all these housing stocks more than they would, say, tech? Or you have a hot reading in CPI and everyone's scared of inflation, and all of a sudden, oh, it's time to buy Max 7. You might ask why, but it's to understand that's what Wall Street falls back on during tough inflationary times where interest rates are not going to be cut and they might even go higher. What stocks perform? What companies can continue to produce earnings regardless of the Fed? Well, that's Mag 7. So it's understanding what's a catalyst, what isn't a catalyst, and that's how you can kind of avoid pitfalls and embrace opportunity when it's time.